block Roblox on your phone. If you want to block Roblox on your phone, then the first thing you can do is use a parental control app. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store. Now search for any parental control app like Bark or Custodio. From here, you can easily manage the Roblox access. Now once it has been installed, launch it open. Here you can set daily time limits or block the Roblox app entirely. You also want to enable activity reports and notification to track any bypass attempts. If you don't want to use the parental control app, then you can use your device settings as well. On iPhone, head over to settings, screen time, app limits, and select Roblox to restrict or block it. If you're on Android, open your settings. Go to digital well-being and parental controls. Now select parental control. Now from here you can limit or block Roblox. Set a strong passcode to prevent unauthorized changes to restrictions. You want to review and adjust these restrictions every 3 to 6 months as needed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.